Situated in North Africa, Libya is a melting pot of distinct Arabic, Mediterranean, and North African influences when it comes to its cuisine. The vibrant culinary scene is a symphony of aromatic spices, nutritious grains, and diverse meats. Central to Libyan gastronomy is couscous, a versatile grain served with lamb or chicken, and accompanied by an array of vegetables simmered in an aromatic broth. Another local favorite is a barley paste, usually paired with a hearty sauce of meat and vegetables. There's also shorba, a comforting soup teeming with lamb, vegetables, and an ensemble of spices. A signature dish, mbabukaika, is a roasted lamb entree served with rice, potatoes. A unique delicacy features stuffed sheep intestines filled luscious liver and spices. The famed tagine, slow-cooked in a clay pot over a gentle flame, truly encapsulates the spirit of Libyan cuisine. This cuisine reflects the country's rich cultural heritage, with signature spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, and cinnamon.